be solving a new DSA problem in C++. If you haven't checked our playlist, the playlist is ready. I will be uploading all the DSA questions here so you can check out. So let's start our today's DSA session by saying Har Har Mahadev. So our today's problem is Leetcode 14, longest common prefix. In our question, it is given that write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. That means we are given an input array of strings and we have to find prefix from that string. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. It is given that if there is no common element present, then return an empty string as output. Let's check out our example so you'll be getting it more clear. In string, our input string is given that flower, flow, flight. You can check that the first two elements of all the three words are common. So our output is FL. In our second example, our input string is given as dogs, race car, and cars. Here you can check that no such element is common. So as it is given that if there is no common prefix, we will be simply returning an empty string. So we have written empty string. So let's write our code so you will be getting it more clear. First, we will write an if statement to check our array is empty or not. If it is empty, we will return an empty statement. Then we will start a for loop for our integer I at index 0 and we will give its range till our size of array, incrementing it till it not give us longest common prefix from the string. Then we will be initializing another variable j at our first index and we will be performing the same iteration just like our I. Now we will write a if statement to return a substring of the first string in our array. Here we will be initializing if the variable I is greater than or equal to size of string at index j in our array, then we will compare it with using OR operation with our first statement and we will be comparing it to our second string, which is if our int I at position j in the array is not equal to the character at the same position at index o in the array, we will compare both the operation and if either one of this condition is true, we will return string of the first string in the array. Now we will write a return statement for our code, which is return string. Let's check our code, it is working or not. Here we have got an error on line number 5. We have to remove colon. Now let's check again. Yes, our code is accepted for all the two cases. Now we will be submitting it.